How do you build the biggest possible rectangular yard with a fixed amount of fence? Or design a box that holds a specific volume using the least material? These aren't just puzzles, they're optimization problems, and the key to solving them is the derivative. At its heart, the derivative tells you the rate of change at any single instant, the slope of a curve at one specific point. From this simple idea, we unlock incredible power. Take a farmer with 100 meters of fencing. By writing the area as a function of one side, we find its derivative and set it to 0. This critical point reveals the maximum efficiency. The answer isn't a long rectangle, but a perfect 25 by 25 meter square. This same principle helps companies minimize costs or maximize profits, finding the sweet spot where things work best. Now, imagine inflating a balloon. As the radius grows, how fast is the volume increasing? They are connected. Using the chain rule, derivatives link these related rates. If the radius is 5 centimeters and growing at 2 centimeters per second, we can calculate that the volume is expanding at a blistering 200 pi cubic centimeters per second. It's like seeing the hidden physics in motion. This tool also lets us sketch the exact shape of complex functions, identifying every peak and valley where the rate of change is 0. It can even find the precise equation for a line that just barely kisses the curve at a single point. So, the derivative is more than a formula. It's a lens for seeing the world in terms of change and efficiency. It translates static problems into dynamic solutions, making it essential in engineering, economics, and science. It's the mathematics of finding the best possible answer.